My name's Annette Gomez-Cruz. I am working at National Reagan Airport with JetBlue as a geo-ramp/acting lead. My cousin got me into JetBlue, getting away from another job. And they said, you know what, you can do a lot better, just try over here. And so I did, and they gave me the opportunity, and I'm pretty much giving them my 110% and showing them that I can do better. To be honest, it was a very tough journey, going from work to school and then go back to sleep like a few hours to get back to work, the constant repetition, but in the end, it's worth it. The hands-on job actually makes you learn quicker instead of just being shown on a video of what people do. Oh, so this is what it actually feels like. This is how you work on things. They pretty much took us above and beyond, saying like, you are meant to do better, and they just pushed us and pushed us. At first they would be like, okay, here's the manuals, here's the book, just do what the manuals say. If you get stuck, then let me know and I'll come and help you. But they were always trying to prep us for the outside world, like you're not always gonna have somebody there to tell you what's your next move. You gotta start reading. My favorite project was when we had to put apart an engine. We had to go back, like overhaul it, and then bring it back to life. Take the engine apart, you have to check the pistons, make sure that crankshaft, make sure that all the piston rods are all good to go, no chips, no nicks. It was pretty good. I didn't even notice that 22 months went so fast. I was like, didn't I just enroll here like 3 or 4 months ago, and now all of a sudden I'm already here getting ready for my oral and practical. If you like to get hands-on, I would say this job is pretty much meant for you. I like that kind of stuff. I know this job is meant for me. There's a lot of job opportunities. You don't have to go into one focused thing. You can go anywhere with your AMP.